No, definitely not South Park. Ashborn Games, THQ Nordic.
Orders, Major.
Oh, definitely not.
Obtain safe passage home.
Definitely
Reach
not.
Vladivostok on an armored train. Command Czechoslovak soldiers stranded in a hostile land. Explore war-torn cities and the Siberian countryside. Deploy squads from the train to explore the surrounding area.
I couldn't play this. I couldn't.
Lead your soldiers in
Oh
real-time
no,
tactical
man, I
movements.
can't.
Move
Drop.
behind enemy lines. Prepare to fight your way to freedom. Face challenging situations and unexpected obstacles. On this relentless journey, you will realize that your troops are not units, but people. Do whatever it takes to prevail, and keep your soldiers alive. Watch them rise through the ranks and unlock new skills. Your train will require constant care and attention. Instruct your crew to manage the train efficiently.
I'm so tired and bored.
And craft spare parts. Realize the train's full potential by unlocking new upgrades and enhancing its durability. Reach a safe depot and exchange cars or locomotives. Stockpile and trade supplies. Keep going, or the suffering and loss of all those under your command will have been in vain. This is your last train home.